everyone, welcome. Today, we are learning 10 English phrases you can use when introducing yourself. We will follow our friend, Sarah. She is at a house party tonight and she is ready to meet some new people. Let's begin. Some of the phrases you will learn today are, "Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm really into, how about you? What's your story? It's so good to finally meet you." Chapter 1, Breaking the Ice. Sarah has just arrived at the party. She walks over to a small group near the door. Phrase number 1. "Hey, I'm Sarah." Hey, I'm Sarah. This is a simple and friendly way to introduce yourself. We say, "I'm Sarah," not, "My name is Sarah." It sounds more natural in everyday conversation. Listen. Sarah says, "Hey, I'm Sarah. I don't think we've met before." James replies, "Oh, hey, I'm James. Nice to meet you." Sarah says, "Nice to meet you too." Now let's say it together. Hey, I'm Sarah. Hey, I'm Sarah. Phrase number 2. I'm a friend of. I'm a friend of. We use this phrase to explain how we know the host or someone at the event. Listen. Sarah says, "I'm a friend of the host, Mike. We went to school together. How do you know him?" James replies, "I work with Mike. He is a good friend." Sarah says, "That's great. He always has good parties." Let's say it together. I'm a friend of. I'm a friend of. Phrase number 3. I don't think we've met yet. I don't think we've met yet. This is a warm and polite way to introduce yourself to someone new. It is friendly and opens the door for a conversation. Listen. Sarah says, "I don't think we've met yet. I'm Sarah." Lisa replies, "Hi, Sarah. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you." Sarah says, "Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Do you live near here?" Lisa says, "Yes, I live close by. It is a nice area." Let's say it together. I don't think we've met yet. I don't think we've met yet. Chapter 2, Sharing the Basics. Sarah is now talking with James and Lisa. She shares a little about herself. Phrase number 4. I've been living here for about. Use this phrase to talk about how long you have been in a place. Listen. Sarah says, "I've been living here for about 2 years now." Lisa says, "Oh, 2 years. Do you like it here?" Sarah says, "Yes, I love it. The people are very friendly." Lisa says, "That is good. I like it here too." Let's say it together. I've been living here for about. I've been living here for about. Phrase number 5. I spend most of my time. I spend most of my time. Instead of saying my job is, this phrase sounds more natural and relaxed. Listen. Sarah says, "I spend most of my time working as a graphic designer. I love it." James says, "Oh, that is cool. What do you make?" Sarah says, "I make logos and pictures for small businesses." James says, "Wow, that sounds fun." Let's say it together. Spend most of my time. I spend most of my time. Phrase number 6. I'm originally from. Use this phrase to share where you grew up. It is a great way to start a conversation. Listen. Sarah says, "I'm originally from a small town up north. It is very quiet and green there." Lisa says, "Oh, that sounds nice. Do you miss it?" Sarah says, "Yes, sometimes, but I love the city too." Lisa says, "I understand. The city is very busy, but fun." Let's say it together. I'm originally from Chapter 3, Connecting Through Hobbies. Sarah is really enjoying herself now. She starts sharing what she loves to do. Phrase number 7. I'm really into. This is a fun way to talk about your hobbies. It shows you are excited about something. Listen. Sarah says, "Lately I'm really into vintage photography. I love old cameras." James says, "Oh, that is cool. Do you have a camera?" Sarah says, "Yes, I just got a new one. It is a lot of fun." James says, "That sounds great. I want to try that too." Let's say it together. I'm really into. Phrase number 8. I've been trying to get better at. I've been trying to get better at. This phrase shows that you are learning something new. It is a great way to start a conversation. Listen, Sarah says, I've been trying to get better at cooking Italian food, but my pasta is not very good yet. Lisa laughs and says, Oh no, what goes wrong? Sarah says, It is always too soft or too hard. Lisa says, I know a good class. I can send you the information. Sarah says, Yes, please. That would be very helpful. Let's say it together. I've been trying to get better at. I've been trying to get better at. Chapter 4, Moving the Conversation Forward. Sarah has shared a lot about herself. Now she wants to learn about the people she is talking to. Phrase number 9. How about you? What's your story? How about you? What's your story? This is a friendly and open way to let the other person talk. It is much better than just saying, and you? Listen, Sarah says, that is a little about me. How about you? What's your story? James says, I'm a teacher. I teach English to young students. Sarah says, Oh, that is a great job. Do you like it? James says, Yes, I love it. My students are very fun. Let's say it together. How about you? What's your story? How about you? What's your story? Phrase number 10. It's so good to finally meet you. It's so good to finally meet you. Use this phrase to end the introduction in a warm and friendly way. It makes the other person feel happy and welcome. Listen, Sarah says, It's so good to finally meet you both. James says, You too, Sarah. Let's talk more later. Lisa says, Yes, it was very nice to meet you. Sarah says, I hope we can meet again soon. Let's say it together. It's so good to finally meet you. It's so good to finally meet you. Now let's recap all 10 phrases. Number 1, hey, I'm Sarah. Number 2, I'm a friend of. Number 3, I don't think we've met yet. Number 4, I've been living here for about. Number 5, I spend most of my time. Number 6, I'm originally from. Number 7, I'm really into. Number 8, I've been trying to get better at. Number 9, how about you? What's your story? Number 10, it's so good to finally meet you. Great job today. You now know 10 English phrases to introduce yourself. Practice these phrases with a friend or try them the next time you meet someone new. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments below, write a short introduction using any of the phrases from today's lesson. Tell us one thing you are really into right now. Don't worry about making mistakes. We will read your comments and help correct your grammar. So go ahead, try it out. See you in the next lesson.